Question 7. A student decides to carry out a statistical study as a graduation project. The student would like to study the effect of music on perception. Specifically, he recruited 50 students for study. He randomly assigned the 50 students to two groups of 25. The members of the first group watched a short video of someone being dishonest while happy music played in the background. The members of the second group watched the same short video while sad music played in the background. Of the 25 members of the first group, 12 of the students acknowledged that the person in the video was dishonest, while 22 members of the second group made the same acknowledgement. The student would like to conduct a z-test for a difference in two proportions. Which of the following statements is true? Okay. Choice A. The random condition is not met because the students were not randomly selected. Okay, so this statement is false. Okay, even though the students were not randomly selected, the random condition was met because of the random assignment. Okay, so we can meet the random condition either by taking two independent random samples or forming two groups via random assignment. Okay. All right, choice B. The 10% condition is not needed in this case because random sampling did not occur. Okay. So I want to say true to that because the 10% condition is used to make sure sampling without replacement is okay to do. But because there wasn't any random sampling involved, we did random assignment instead, it really wouldn't be necessary to check the 10% condition. So for now, I'm going to say that that statement is true. Okay. Choice C. The large counts condition is met because the expected number of successes and failures in each group is at least 10. Okay. So the expected number of successes and failures we'd have to calculate using the combined proportion. Okay. So we had 12 plus 22 total students acknowledge the dishonest person, and there was 25 plus 25, so 50 students altogether in the study. That's going to be 34 out of 50, which is 0.68. All right, let's just double check. Okay, 12 plus 22 divided by 50. Okay, 68%. Good. Okay, and then now the expected number of successes and failures. So each group, sorry, I did not have 50, I had 25. Okay, so 25 times 0.68, and then 25 times 0.32. All right, so what are these going to be? 25 times 0.68 is 17, and 25 times 0.32 is 8. Ooh, okay. So the large counts condition is met. That is false. It's not met because we have one value that's less than 10. All right. Choice D. The expected number of successes in each group are 12 and 22. All right. That statement is false. 12 and 22 are the observed number of successes. It's not the same as the expected number of successes. So the calculation we just did over here, that represents the expected number of successes. Okay. Choice E. All conditions for inference are met. That's false. We just saw that the large counts condition was not met. Okay, so the correct answer here is B. Now, this is not really something that we talk about in class, but yeah, if you don't do any random sampling, there's no need to check the 10% condition, because the only reason we check the 10% condition is so that sampling without replacement is okay.